Seal and protect your kitchen and bathroom surfaces with hydrophobic and nano-ceramic Flitz Granite and Glass Protectant, specially formulated to seal and protect for up to 6 months. Use on marble, granite, quartz, laminate, solid surfaces, glass, and so much more. Flitz Granite and Glass Protectant seals and protects against hard water stains, mineral deposits, wine, food stains, makeup, hairspray, dust, and grime. To use, spray on the surface, buff in with a soft cloth, and buff off. It's just that fast. Flitz Granite and Glass Protectant lets the natural beauty of your surfaces shine through, as well as protecting them for months to come. Keep your surfaces looking showroom new with Flitz Granite and Glass Protectant. Granite and stone countertops are meant to be professionally sealed every year or two, but in between those sealings is where the problems appear. Flitz Granite and Glass Protectant lays down a hard shell layer of protection that resists staining from sauces, wine, fruit juices, and more. A simple spray on and wipe off, and countertops and shower glass shed water instantly, making cleanup fast and easy. Keep your countertops looking fabulous with Flitz Granite and Glass Protectant.